Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chef Lebo. So today since I eat beer bread and listen guys, it's super easy. Like, you guys better get on this beer bread train, okay? So let us get baking. So Lana, I'm just mixing all the dry ingredients together. Oh, bese ngikhohliwe, place your empty baking tin in the oven. So my beer was at room temperature. I don't think it makes a difference if it's cold or at room temperature. Yeah. So now I'm just mixing it till it forms a sticky dough. So when I've taken out the baking tin out of the oven, I'm gonna line it twice with oil or spray and cook, then some flour. Then sengifaka i-batter yami and into the oven for 40 minutes. This is Chef Lebo signing out.